Hello everybody, my name is Jamie Macdonald. I'm here to tell you about the advanced research skills and the research methods modules that we have within our school. So we have a world-leading reputation for generating scientific research, and what we'd like to do in this module is pass on some of those skills of designing studies and analysing those studies to you so that you can design and analyse your own studies in the future, but also so you can criticise other people's work as well. Now, we will teach you about the quantitative and the qualitative method, and that multidisciplinary approach will help prepare you for multiple different research settings. We also will teach you a set of transferable skills which will allow you to excel in different business settings where generating data and making an argument is very important to give you a competitive edge, and also will help you just in general life. If you think about Brexit and COVID-19, there's lots of scientific data being generated at the moment, and the ability to be able to understand that and understand whether you agree with the conclusion of the research is very, very important. Now, we attempt to make this content as accessible to you as possible. Now, some people are scared about doing statistics. They think it involves a lot of maths, which it does at times, but we actually have 2 module codes, and the 4020 research methods module is actually specifically designed for those of you who've not done any mathematics or statistics before. It allows you to access the same content, but we walk you through it in a slightly slower pace in a way that will allow you to actually take on that content and excel in this module. So we look forward to meeting you on the module and sharing our passion with you about research design, research statistics, and we'll see you soon.